Hello, this is Rhonda. Thank you for coming back and watching my channel. Excuse me if I'm not completely presentable. I tried to put on some makeup and look better. It's been a rough day. I had a doctor's appointment today, and I wanted to show y'all what I got in my Testtube Beauty box. I know y'all really liked it the last time I got it. This is my second time getting it. I did look up some information about it that I wanted to share with you. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and please click the thumbs up button for me. I wanted to show you all this. I looked this up in case you've forgotten from last time. This box is $29, and it's an $8 shipping fee. It's still a really good deal. If y'all remember last month, I got the Neo Cell powder that's valued was like $44, and I got the box to try last time because I had been wanting to try that collagen powder anyway, and it costs more than the whole box with shipping. So I looked this up, and it says every other month, which I think I explained that last time. This is every other month box, so you don't get this one every month, which makes it even more affordable. It says members sample 8 or more full and travel size beauty products before investing in them. When it comes to what influences our subscribers' beauty purchases, 85% say it's receiving a sample first. And okay, it's $29.95. They're calling this the July tube, but it is July and August. The next tube will not be until September. You can do the $29.95 every other month, $149.75 a year, which is 6 tubes every other month. And see, that's telling. It says this month is a $267 value for the $29.95 plus $8 shipping, and there's one really awesome product in it. I wanted to tell you all, it says that 20% of their proceeds of all orders go to Loveland Foundation. So I looked that up to tell y'all what that is. It says Loveland Foundation is committed to showing up for communities of color in unique and powerful ways. With a particular focus on Black women and girls, our resources and initiatives are collaborative, and they prioritize opportunities, access, validation, and healing. We are becoming the ones we've been waiting for. And that's there. That tells about it. And it says that this particular box, the Testtube Beauty, donates 20% of their sales to that foundation. I thought that was really cool for any company to donate to any really good cause. So get the book, and it tells about the products, and sometimes things that comes in the box, but sometimes things come outside of the tube. This is the test tube. And sometimes things have to come outside, so they put it in a box because sometimes things are too big to fit inside this tube. The first thing we got is the dry shampoo with oat milk. You can see it. Excuse my fingers. I have not taken time to do my nails yet. I did put a clear on them to keep them from breaking. Let's see, this is a retail value of $20, and that does look like a full size to me. And you can get, if you go to the website CLORANEUSA.com, you can get 15% off with the code NEWBEAUTY15 until 9/30/20. Again, that is valued at $20. And let's get in this tube and see what we have. We have this sample of 10 free chemistry up to 85% naturally derived, say, biopeptide complex. Oh, okay, clean nail care. It's for your nails, so it may not be a sample since it's for nails, because most nail products are fairly small. Okay, that is a hydrating and restorative base coat that nourishes nails with essential nutrients needed for ultimate nail strength. This is 18. You all know I love pretty nails and love keeping my nails nice, so this I will try out. Let me open it up. It comes with this in a little cute little bag, plant-based, sugar-derived, non-drying, 100% vegan, cruelty-free. Quickly removes, preps nails, surfaces, and hydrates and conditions. So let's see what it looks like in here. Okay, okay, so that is a full-size bottle. I thought it was some kind of serum of some kind, but there's that. So glad to have that. Again, that retails for $18. And the next thing we got is Renew Scalp Therapy Exfoliate. So it's a scalp treatment. Let's see here. It does have the safety seal on it. That off. That has a pleasant scent. There, if you can see it's like a jelly, and then it's like a cream. When you put it on your skin, it looked like a jelly, but I can actually feel, I can feel the little like sand mixed in with it. Let's go see this. Retails for $26. This gently exfoliating treatment removes any unwanted residue, leaving you with a freshly restored and revitalized scalp. So I will try that. Y'all know I love good hair care too. And then we got 2 packs of these collagen and vitamin C. Oops. There's 2 packs of sweet tart orange flavor. There's 3 servings, full daily vitamin C intake, multivitamin, 1,000 milligrams of collagen per serving, and there's 2 packs of those. Let's go see what it says about that. Okay, here it is. Is it, how do you say that? Hanhoo, Hanhoo Beauty Fix. This is a citrus infused supplement that blends collagen, vitamin C, and biotin to make the perfect nutrient smoothie for achieving bright, glowing skin.